everyone! Welcome to our Mindset Training, the NDSO, New Distributor Success Orientation. Earning $1 million per month here is possible. The only variable of success is your attitude, which is dictated by your thoughts. If you're seeing negative here, it's not the opportunity, but your mind. So strengthen your mind because nothing can harm you from outside if you are strong inside. And this training is all about strengthening your mind stamina to get you to the top of the ladder. I am excited. Are you ready to learn? Yes or yes? Yes. Welcome to our new distributor success orientation. The group session does not substitute the one-on-one in DSO. Next, our team advocacy. Build your assets and never have to work again. Ang ganda ng natin, advocacy. So here, we're not just working on our job, but working on our asset to work for us. Okay, next. So the best option to build asset is network marketing with the franchising system. So this is the business of the 21st century. So if you don't have millions yet to buy assets like houses or building, we'll build our network, our asset. Okay, next. So our asset here is our network of users and distributors. So why network is an asset? Because this network will give us income. The sales from our network will give us profit, okay, or bonuses. Next. So question, how do you create a strong, solid, and stable network? Because as we know, our asset is our network, so we make sure our network is solid, stable, and strong. So, answer must have a system to follow and people to work with the system. Thus, the formula, network equals system plus people. We have this wrong notion kasi that we are here just to look for people. No, that's just active income. We have to train those 6 to find their 6 also using the system. Okay, so our job description here, there are 2 job descriptions. The first job description is to find your 6 using the system, and second job description is teaching each of the 6 to find their 6 using the system, and that will make your network strong, solid, and stable. Next. Okay, so this is our system. What is the system? So to give you the bird's eye view of the system, so the system is first is Jumpstart. So Jumpstart is the skills. So we have 7 skills here. The first one, prospecting. Second is invitation, presentation, closing, follow-up, game plan interview, and selling out events. And STP, show the plan, is the action. In DSO, new distributor success orientation, is the mindset. And counseling is the mastery. And how do you find people? We will use the PNB finder cycle. It all starts with product order. So no product, no business. Once you have the product, we'll do Jumpstart training. And with the Jumpstart training, after that, we are now ready to do STP or do presentation together with your mentor. We call it 2-on-1. And that's only 5 to 10 times. After 5 to 10 times, you are expected to learn the presentation. And within the 5 to 10 times, you are expected to meet challenges. So we'll have in the SO, New Distributor Success Orientation, the mindset training. After that, we should do follow-up because follow-up is the fortune. As they say, 80% of the sales are product the 5th to 6th follow-up. And after that, if they order product, then you just bring your new sign-up, your prospect to this cycle and you do the cycle until you find your 6. And to sustain in the business, you need vitamins, which is Ruta, R, read books, watch videos, use product, P, talk upline, counseling, A, attend, participate, and promote events. Okay, so ano na ba? Ready na ba for the third topic? Napakagandang topic to. How to build our attitude right by these 12 business principles. So ano ba yung first principle? Ready na tayo sa first principle? So ito yung first principle natin, business principle. So number 1, My business is 95% attitude and excitement, only 5% technique. So always have the positive and excited attitude. Don't dwell in the negative. Feel good anytime, every time, and all the time. Yes or yes? Okay, so this business is an attitude business. So this is not about educational background, it's not about talents, not about having many friends, nor a lot of money. This is not about how good you are in selling or speaking on stage, but about what? About the right attitude. Kaya yung INTRA, alam mo ba yung INTRA acronym yan? Ano yung meaning ng INTRA? I-N-T-R-A. I need the right attitude, no? So right attitude lang talaga kailangan dito. Ano bang klaseng right attitude yan? Palaging excited and positive attitude, no? Kasi skills are just 5%. Bakit 5% lang yung skills? Kasi as long as you have the right attitude, everything can be learned, no? So dito nga, we have lot of GMDs and they have different backgrounds kasi hindi kailangan ang background dito. Merong atinista, meron din manicurista, di ba? Meron tricycle driver, meron ding doktora, no? Meron ding nag-start at 23 years old, meron din in their 50s, no? Meron din mga high school graduate, tapos meron ding masteral, no? Yun nga, different background tayo. Pero lahat GMD. Kasi there's only one thing in common. And what is that? They have all excited and positive attitude. So how do we achieve the right attitude? No, yan, ruta. No, it can help you a lot, ruta. So read books, watch videos, positive videos, use product palagi, ma-amaze ka talaga sa product, marami kang stories. If you keep on taking the product, consistent kapag take ng product, tapos talk upline palagi, be with positive people, and attend functions. Okay, yan ang number 1. So ano yung number 2? Number 2 na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa number 2? So ano yung number 2? So yan, everything I do must be duplicatable. Keep everything simple so it's easy to copy. The business of network marketing is duplication. And duplication is what? Royalty bonus. Yan, no? Duplication business. No? So, meaning everything I do must be in the system. Kasi nobody is bigger than the system, ha? Nobody is bigger than the system. Kasi nobody is a star. The system is the star because the heart of the duplication is the system. Kasi people change but the system is constant. People's emotions up and down yan, but the system is fixed, no? It cannot change. Walang emotions. So hindi complicated. So if the system says 5 to 10 times lang ang 2-in-1 STP, so follow that. Kung nagbibisit ka ng downlines, more than 20, ikaw pa rin yung nag-STP, so you're not duplicatable. Okay, so what else? So if the system says na you have to read the business plan, but you're explaining it like a doctor, yun, hindi ka rin duplicatable. So follow the system. No, system talaga. And duplication is unstoppable. Yes or yes? Okay, so number 3. Ready na ba kayo sa number 3? Ano ba yung number 3? I can inspire and teach but cannot motivate my downline. I cannot motivate a person because it needs his, her own willingness. I cannot make people ready. I only work with the willing. So work with the willing lang. Kayo ba? Working with the willing ba kayo? No? Dapat work with the willing lang talaga dito. Work with the ready people. It's not our job to change people. Always remember that. No, you will be wasting your energy if you're trying to change people. No, kasi our energy should be to find ready and motivated people, not changing people. So question, how do we know na ready na yung tao? Yun, aggressive in product order. Meaning kahit wala siyang pera, nangungutang talaga. No, tapos ano siya, with big list of dreams, with big list of people. Tapos marry the system. 100%, no? So yun. Tapos ano naman yung not ready people, no? Yun, maalaman mo na hindi pa siya ready pag sinasabi mo na mag-STP tayo. Anong sagot? Ang sagot, upline, wala akong kakilala, naubos na yung kakilala ko, no? Pag sinasabi mo mag-attend tayo sa Zoom, Yun, sagot. Mahina signal namin, upline. Yun, hindi pa yun ready. Or you should have products. Ano yung sagot? I don't have money, upline. Yun, hindi pa yun ready. So how do we find motivated people? Paano ba maghanap ng motivated people? By talking to as many people. Yun lang, no? Until we find ready people. The keyword there is until. Pakisulat nga, very important to. Until we find ready people. Never ever change people. That's toxic. If you cannot change yourself nga, how much more changing others, no? Hindi talaga yan pwede. Okay? So, next na tayo. Ano ba yung next natin? No? I own my business. That's number 4. I own my business. So here, I learn the business as quick as I can, how to order product, explain the plan, how to sponsor people. I do not misuse or abuse upline support. I have no business from my upline. My business is from me down the line of my organization. So yan, taking ownership of your business. No? So here, you're a business owner of lifestyles. Business owner ka ha, hindi ka employee, business owner. So meaning, ikaw yung may-ari ng business mo. You are the CEO. No? So if it fails, it's because of you. If it succeeds, it's also because of you. So do not depend with your upline. Consultant lang yan, guide lang siya. No? Wala kang business sa upline mo. So here, you should know the in and out of your business. Kasi business mo yan. No? So how do you take ownership ba of your business? Number 1, of course, you have inventory of products. More products, more business. No? So dapat minimum of 9 boxes of Intra or 11 B-tickets every time. So sino ba dito? May 9 boxes dyan sa bahay nyo or 11 B-tickets ngayon. Ngayon, kung meron ka niyan, yan, business owner ka. Pero kung wala, nako, parang mali yung ano mo, business mo. No, hindi ikaw business owner, employee ka lang dyan or helper ka lang. No, hindi ikaw CEO. So dapat ano din, must know how to sponsor and train people by using our tools like franchising kit and website. No, tapos ano pa? You must be present in all events and promote them also. And also, ano rin, mag-invest ka in training, tools and products. No, napaka-importante yung tools natin. 'Di ba? Sabi nga, don't be a fool, use the tools, 'di ba? Ang ganda nun, don't be a fool, use the tools. Tama naman 'yan, no? So, how do you take ownership? Dapat you must have a regular planning and goal setting. Nag-goal setting ka ba every beginning of the month sa business mo? Nako, pag hindi ka business owner. So here, business owner ka. So in other words, you must be on top of your business. Okay? Yes or yes? Okay, so next. Ano bang next? Ito, importante nito. Number 5. My biggest challenge in this business is my ego and pride. The faster I lose it, the faster my business will grow. So this is a humbling business. The business is simple if I set aside my pride and have a teachable heart. Yan, no? Mga ego natin, tapon na natin to. Kasi this is a business of service. What is the word? Service. Service, no? So this is a mission. Mission to of fighting body pollution. Advocacy to. Advocacy of inspiring people to build their assets and never have to work again. And this is not for ourselves, but for other people. And ego and pride are the opposite of this. Kasi ang definition of ego and pride is ako, ako, ako. I, me, and myself. So question, how do you know ba kung may ego and pride ka pa? Yan, if someone beside you is coughing and hindi ka nag-share ng intra, yun, may ego and pride ka pa. Kasi nahihiya ako. Ako is ego. So, but what about the person coughing? Kawawa naman siya. No? What if this is the solution she's looking for, but you deprive her of that because of your ego? No? Yun. Ano pa example doon? If you are rejected and you're hurt with rejections. So if this is you, yan, may ego ka pa. No? Kasi naman, Nobody is rejected if the intention is to help other people, no? But you only feel rejected if you take things personally. But this business is not about you anymore. But kasi nag-benefit ka na dito tsaka yung family mo. But for them, for other people. So they will be blessed also by this opportunity. Ang sayo lang, pag-notify lang naman, hindi ka man nag-convince, no? But by asking question lang naman, no? So it has blessed you, so dapat i-share para ma-bless din yung mga tao around you. So example, kung may good testimony ka and you're not willing to share it in big events, no? Bakit? Because they might laugh at me, ako. So ego thing na naman. But what about other people who will be inspired by your story? So again, this business is all about other people talaga. It's all about service talaga. And if you shift your energy from enriching yourself to serving other people, hindi ka talaga mahirapan sa business na to. Your growth is unstoppable because our mission is to help people live better every day. This is the only way to grow our business. Okay? So number 6 na tayo. Ano ba yung number 6? Ready na ka na ba sa number 6? Okay, activity does not equal productivity. So just align all my efforts to the system to make it productive. It's not enough that I'm busy. The real question is, what am I busy with? So ano bang nabisihan mo? Ano ba yung mga activities mo? Kasi hindi big sabihin na busy ka, malaki yung cheque mo. Dapat nasa tamang lugar, no? So do not confuse activities with money. It does not mean, yun nga sinasabi ko, na marami kang ginagawa na malaki yung cheque mo. Kasi your activities must be productive. Paano maging productive yung activities mo? Dapat naka-align sa, ano sa tingin nyo? Naka-align sa ano? Dapat para maging productive, naka-align sa system. Yes, tama yan, system. So, ano example of activities which are not productive? Yan, first is downline support with no product. No, nagsusupport ka sa downline pero wala namang product tsaka wala siya sa events. So yun, busy ka sa Katuunwan STP pero wala kang cheque kasi yung downline mo wala sa system. Tapos mag-STP ka without business plan. Siguro nakasell ka pero walang duplication, walang structuring, walang stabilizing or sharing products pero yan utang lahat. Naku po, busy ka pero yun nga hindi ka productive. So may tanong ako sa inyo pala. Ano yung tanong ko? Ready kayo sa tanong ko? Meron akong one big secret. Big secret para kayong maging productive. Ano yon? Ready na ba? Okay. So may big secret ako. Ano yung big secret ko? Ito yung big secret ko talaga. No? Just work with the willing. That's it. No? Not using people tayo dito. But just work with the willing, yung ready na maging yayaman, no? Okay, so never be tempted to work with not ready yet. That will only delay your success because the energy is divided pag hindi pa ready yan. But working with the willing, because if you work with the willing, the energy will multiply. But working with not willing, the energy is divided. So just work with the system and the system works. Be productive, be with the system. Because there's no secret to success, but there is a system to success. Yes or yes? Okay, so number 7 na tayo. Ready ka na ba? Sa number 7, ano ba yung number 7? Nako, Figo. Gusto ko to. Figo. Meaning forget it and go on. No? So if I meet rejections and other challenges which are given this business, deal with it fast, forget it and go on. Don't take it personally. Don't get stuck. Press forward, shake it off. Our greatest rejection is our greatest direction. Sino na ba dito? No, na nag-figo na. No, dapat figo lang yan. Kasi if you master this, you will build this business fast. Really fast. So yun, kung downline mo, hindi pa ready, yun, figo. Work with the willing. So if yung prospects mo not showing up at Zoom, no, hindi siya nag-show up, no, so yun, figo yan. Invite new people. So yung mga tao mo nag-quit, figo, no, rebuild your organization. Kasi not using people naman tayo dito. No? If downline is leaving your chat room, nakarelate ba dyan sa mga GC mo, nag-leave? Pigo, add more. Kasi if you cannot pigo, you are stuck up. And if you are stuck up, there are a lot of right people waiting for you and destined for you. But you haven't met them kasi you are stuck up. So the only way to unstuck yourself is what? Yes, pigo lang. Kasi if you cannot pigo, you don't have the excitement, at saka yung excitement na yun, you need that to the next person that you will talk to. No? Kasi yun nga, without the excitement and energy, people will not join you kasi napaka-boring mo. And this is an excitement business. So, Figo, kaagad, ASAP, ASAP. Okay, so yun. Okay, number 8. Number 8 na tayo. Ano bang number 8? Parang Figo din to. No? Kung sorting to. No? 4 na SW. Ano ba yung 4 na SW? Some will, some want, some waiting. So what? Go next. So ano to? Sorting business. Sorting business to. So find people who are ready, motivated, or core. Yan, no? So ano yan, no? Work with the ready din. So sorting talaga to. Sorting business. So this is not a convincing business. No? So, wag kang magdebate dito, wag kang mag-argue dito. Nobody can win an argument, but this is all about notifying people that you have a business, that you have solutions, that possible solutions for their problems. So, here, not debate again, but simply asking question. And what is the script? No, what is the script? So, meron tayong script dyan. Ano yung script natin? Si by the way. Kilala mo pa ba si by the way? So, yung question natin, si by the way lang. Maraming by the ways. The better. The more people that you can find. By the way, may tanong ako. No? So, have you heard about leveraging? Or do you have online business? Ano bang online business mo ngayon? Or ano bang detox program mo ngayon? Yun lang mga tanong natin. So, kung engaging yan, excited, so yun, mag-explain ka. So if not interested, marami talaga yan sa market, given na talaga yan, next lang. So, and what you're doing, pag ganun ka, next lang, what you're doing is sorting, not convincing. So kung pilosopo yan, wag kang mag-debate, no? Next lang. Pero kung excited yan, train mo, i-train mo siya. Kung hindi siya believer sa supplements or networking, next lang. Go next. No? Pero open-minded siya in building assets, yun, train natin. So do not convince lang talaga. Just sort. And you sort by asking question. Yes or yes. Okay. So number 9 na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa number 9? So napaka-importante nito. No? My upline core is my lifeline. So anong sinasabi dito? My upline core is my coach and mentor. I need to trust my upline. This is a love-hate relationship because of different personalities. And there's no perfect upline or downline, ha? No perfect upline, downline. I do not react but adjust with the perception. The ultimate purpose is to make me successful. Napakaganda kung may upline tayo. No? Huwag mong awayin si upline. Kasi kung may upline ka, may mentor ka. So ano bang role ni upline? Si upline mo, he will train you with the system. So yung mag-jumpstart, mag-endeso, mag-2-on-1, STP, and counseling with you. And you will grow fast. Bakit? Because his skills and wisdom in the business will prevent you from making any same mistakes. Diba? So ano pa? Yung mentor mo, yung upline mo, he can see your weaknesses which you often cannot see. No? As they say nga, we cannot read the label if we are inside the can. So yung mentor natin, nakikita yung faults natin and weaknesses natin na hindi natin nakikita. Kasi pag nakita niya, yun, example, nagpautang ka or nag-babysit ka, sabihin niya na wala ka sa system, hindi ka lalaki dyan. So yan ang trabaho ni upline. So ano pang trabaho ni upline? He stimulate your personal growth. Wow, ang ganda niyan. Kasi with the counseling of your mentor, there will be a lot of learning and growing. So ano pa? Ano pang trabaho ni mentor? So yung mentor mo, number one fan mo. Naku, may fan ka na pala dito. Yung mentor mo. No? Kasi cheerer siya for your success. Yung mga cheers niya, palagi ang sinasabi ni upline, yes, 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 you can do it. Laban lang. Go, 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 go. Kaya mo yan. No? Ang ganda talaga pag may mentor tayo. Ano pang trabaho ni upline? He will discipline you. So if you're not in the system, yun, walang support. No? So wag mong awayin si upline kung hindi ka sinusuportahan. Kasi kung wala ka sa system, kasi kung support tapos wala ka sa system, parang he's giving you wrong signal na okay lang na magawa ka sa business kahit wala ka sa system. So kaya, kung wala ka sa system, hindi siya magsusupport. Ganon, kasi the system is the pathway to success. Okay? So yun. So ang upline downline relationship, napaka-complicated talaga niyan. No, mas complicated pa 'yan sa husband and wife, no? So kasi dito may love and hate relationship. Love and hate, love and hate, love and hate during the journey. But you know what? You will love him at the end. Bakit? Because you have the same goal with your mentor. Pareho lang kayong goal sa mentor mo. And ano yung goal nyo, no? Ang goal is to grow your business together because your business is also his business. So you need to trust him. So you need to trust your mentor. Yun si mentor, yung upline mo. Okay, number 10. Ano bang number 10? Number 10, ito yung number 10. I cannot lead people if I need people. I'm not desperate of people. As long as I grow my attitude and learn the leadership skill, I will attract all the people that I want. Yun. So, wala talaga, not using people talaga to. No? This is not using people, but helping people. So, hindi tayo needy dito. No? Hindi tayo needy, hindi tayo desperate. No? We don't have that scarcity mindset because I know that if I have the right attitude, the people that I want, I will find. No? As long as I keep my excitement, I will find excited people. And as long as I am a leader, I will find leaders too. And even if people quit, it's okay. For I know that I can still rebuild it because the strength comes from within. So yun, no? You have to build up yourself para the right people will come. Okay. Yes or yes? Number 11 na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa number 11? So number 11, the harder I work, the luckier I get. So there's no luck in this business. If I want to earn more, I work more. If I want to earn less, I work less. Effort determines rewards. So wala palang luck dito. No, luck is spelled as, alam mo ba paano yung spelling ng luck? Ang spelling ng luck is ano nga? W-O-R-K. Yan, work. Luck is work. As GMD June Igot said, just work, no excuses. So anong work natin dito? Dalawang job description, pabalik-balik na to. Find your 6 using the system and teaching each of the 6 to find their 6 using the same system. So, if you're not doing that day in and day out, you don't understand the business. Sure, you have excuses. You have your excuses. That's the easiest thing to do. No excuses. But bottom line, if you're not talking and training to people, yes, you have no business because that is your business. Okay? So, yan, no? Number 12 na tayo. Last 12 business principles, and the 12 business principles, no mercy. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng no mercy? Nobody can stop my business. Definitely not the rejections or my educational background or the storm or the heat of the sun, not even the economic crisis. Whatever blocks my way, I conquer because I am GMD. Whatever it takes. So, sino ba dyan, mga GMD? Sino? Of course, tayong lahat, no? No mercy. GMD tayo lahat. So, dito, meron tayong 3 types of distributor whose mantra is, number 1, mantra nila, I will try. No? Baka pwede, mag-GMD ako. Yung pangalawa, I will try my best. Pangatlo, third type of distributor, yung mantra nila, I will do whatever it takes. Naku, ito yung mag-GGMD. Yung mantra nila, I will do whatever it takes. The no mercy attitude. Kahit walang pera, nangungutang yan. No? From 46 people, si GMD June Igot, para lang magka-business. Kahit wala si upline, nag-ESTP yan. Kahit brand out, tuloy ang training. Kahit nanginginig yan, nag-Zoom speaker. Kahit madaling araw yan, nag-counseling. Diba? No mercy talaga. Kasi here, you stop not because you are tired, but because you are done. Okay? Because, again, we are GMD, whatever it takes. Yes or yes. Okay, so yun ang 12 business principles natin to build up the right attitude.